I'm going to show you how to click and move the shapes. So look at my cursor. That's what we call the symbol that moves when I move my mouse or move my finger on the mouse pad. So right now it's shaped like an arrow, and that's just the normal way it is. If I move the mouse over an object, it's going to change into the move button. The move button looks like this. I think it looks like a plus sign with arrows on the end. So before you try to move something, you need to make sure that your mouse makes this symbol. If it doesn't, then you're not in the right place. So I can't move any of this, but I can move the star. When you're ready to move it, click and hold down with your finger on the button, and then just move it where you want it to go. And then when you're ready, you can let go. And that is how you move items.